Ever wondered if your crypto could be even safer, tucked away in a digital fortress? Well, that's essentially what the Uphold Vault offers, an extra layer of security for your digital assets. But the burning question on everyone's mind is, how much does this peace of mind actually cost? That's exactly what we're going to break down for you today. Forget the lengthy introductions, let's dive straight into understanding the Uphold Vault and its associated fees. First off, it's important to clarify what the Uphold Vault truly is. Think of it as a separate, highly secure environment within your Uphold account. It's designed for long-term storage of your cryptocurrencies, providing enhanced protection against unauthorized access. When assets are in your vault, they aren't readily available for trading or instant withdrawals, adding a deliberate step for security. Now, let's get to the core of the matter, the cost. As of my last update in late 2023, Uphold's Vault service operates on a tiered fee structure, and this is where it gets interesting. Unlike some platforms that might charge a flat percentage or recurring subscription, Uphold's Vault fees are typically based on the specific asset you're holding within the vault and the total value of those assets. Generally, you'll find that the fees are structured as a percentage-based annual fee, but this percentage can vary depending on the cryptocurrency. For instance, holding Bitcoin in the vault might incur a different annual percentage fee compared to holding Ethereum or a smaller altcoin. It's crucial to understand that these fees are usually calculated and charged on an ongoing basis, often deducted directly from the assets held within the vault. This means the longer your assets remain in the vault, the more fees you'll potentially accrue. To give you a clearer picture, let's consider a hypothetical example. Let's say Uphold charges an annual vault fee of 0.1% for Bitcoin. If you have $10,000 worth of Bitcoin in your vault for a year, you could expect to pay around $10 in fees over that period. However, remember that this is just an example, and the actual percentages for different assets can be higher or lower. Furthermore, Uphold's fee structure can be subject to change, so it's absolutely vital to check the most up-to-date fee schedule directly on the Uphold platform or their official website. Look for the Vault section or their fees and pricing page. This will provide you with the exact percentages applicable to each supported cryptocurrency within the vault. Beyond the annual holding fees, it's also worth considering if there are any fees associated with moving assets into or out of the vault. Typically, Uphold doesn't charge additional fees for transferring assets between your regular Uphold wallet and your vault. However, it's always a good practice to confirm this on their platform to avoid any surprises. Why do these vault fees exist in the first place? The enhanced security measures and infrastructure required to maintain a separate, highly protected storage environment come with operational costs for Uphold. These fees help to cover those expenses and ensure the continued security of your digital assets within the vault. So, to summarize, the cost of Uphold's vault isn't a one-size-fits-all number. It depends on the specific cryptocurrencies you're securing and the total value of those holdings. The fees are generally structured as an annual percentage, which varies by asset. Always consult the official Uphold fee schedule for the most accurate and current information. Investing in the security of your crypto is important, but understanding the associated costs is equally crucial for making informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.